Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to be talking about brake controllers today. Okay, so we're out here in the motorhome, and we have the Curt Assure Brake Controller and the harness. I tow the Jeep on a trailer, and I came with this brake controller. Lippert did provide this free of charge through the Lippert Scouts program. So this comes in, is the package with the brake controller, Assure Brake Controller in it, and we're just gonna open it up here and see what we got. Well, looks like we got a mounting bracket, and this is the controller itself. And so we're going to get the mounting bracket put in and follow the instructions. The wiring harness, also from Curt, which I ordered separately. Let's see what we got in here too. So we have, this comes with the connectors and the wiring harness plug. Gonna match up with that. So we're going to put this under the dash and out into the wiring under the... Okay, we got the brake controller all hooked up. So, and to get the motorhome out, we loaded up the Jeep so we can get the settings right here on the... Okay, we got everything set up, I think. So if you push the brakes, it tells you automatically how much you get. We're stopped right at the moment. The instructions tell you to have it neutral and your foot off the brake, and you can make adjustments to the gain. If you push both buttons, you can change the load. So you start at one point and then do some testing. It's kind of hard in this big motorhome to tell, but I think we have it right. So we're going to go for a ride, and you can kind of see how it does. It has an auto mode, so it depends on what we're doing to how much it applies the brake. Okay, we're on the freeway, so we're gonna get off on this next exit, and we're going about 60 miles an hour, so we'll see how it does as we pull up. That's this big, heavy motorhome in trailer weighs about 7,000 pounds. It's kind of hard to tell. It appears to be working well. So it seems to work good. We'll see on our next big trip how it feels. But it seems to be working correctly. And I do like the display to tell you what's going on. And so it appears, like I said, it appears to be working well. If we have anything extra to report after we go on our trip in about a week and a half, we'll let you know. Thanks for watching.